Hello friends, so today we're going to continue the last presentation which is on kitchen tools. Up till now we had discussed 16 kitchen tools. If you want to watch the previous videos, I had shared the link of the videos in the description box. It would be better for you guys if you check those videos out before watching this one. Those who are new to my channel, I just want to tell you guys that I'm explaining the theory of food production, that is kitchen knowledge in detail a chef should know. I'm explaining all this from the beginning and that too in detail, covering all the small points as well. Do watch it till the end. It will be really helpful to all you guys. Do hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family. So let's get started. So now we are gonna the presentation and discuss some more kitchen tools today. Number 17 kitchen tool equipment on our list is whisk. If we talk something about its description, then whisk consists of a long, narrow, cylindrical handle with a series of wire loop joined at the end. The next point says that it is used to mix ingredients, which is commonly known as whisking, and also to incorporate air into the mixture, which is known as whipping. They are usually made of metal, but sometimes they are also made of plastic for the use with the non-stick cookware. Different types of whisk that are available in the market are the balloon whisk, the French whisk, flat whisk or roux whisk, the gravy whisk or the spiral whisk, the ball whisk, and the TWIRL whisk or the coil whisk. All the images of these whisks will be shown you in the next slide. So the last point says that they are mainly used to whip the egg whites, whipped cream, cake and pancake batter, emulsified sauces and dressings like mayonnaise, hollandaise and vinaigrettes, etc. So also used to mix and smoothen the roux, sauces and soups. So these are the uses of the whisk. To know more about mayonnaise and hollandaise, I'd uploaded 3 different videos on my channel. I'm also going to share the link in the description box. It explains everything in detail about all these 3 terms. Do check them out, the link in the description box below. So in these slides, we are going to see the picture of different types of whisk that we had talked in the previous slide. The first picture is of, yes, you guessed it right, it's the balloon whisk. This is the most common and also an all-purpose whisk. This whisk helps us in whisking, the whipping and even beating. Due to its balloon shape, it helps us in stirring and also a greater distance. That's why it is best used to whipping, that is to incorporate air. They are also best suited to use in the mixing bowls, as the curved edges help us to go to the bowl's concave side. The next picture is of the flat whisk, also known as the roux whisk. Roux is basically a thickening agent which is used to thicken soup, sauces and gravies. It is made by cooking equal amount of refined flour and butter. The type and the color of the roux depends upon the degree of which the roux is cooked. Different types of roux are used in different soups and sauces. There are 3 types of roux, which are white roux, blonde roux and brown roux. To know more about roux, I'd uploaded a video on my channel. Go and check that out. It will be really informative to all you guys. All the doubts about the roux will be cleared there. A notification had just popped up in the I button. Go and check that out. The third picture on this slide you are seeing is the French whisk. It has a more longer and a narrower wire loop. Also has a more cylindrical shape, which helps us to use it in the straight-sided deep pans. So to use in the curved pan, the balloon whisk is required, and in the straight sided pan, a French whisk is mostly used. The next type of whisk we are going to talk about is the gravy whisk. This whisk commonly have one main loop and with the another wire coiled around it. The angle of the whisk is ideal for mixing gravies, batter and sauces. As you can see in the picture, there is the wire loop and the wire loop are again coiled around the first one. The next picture you are seeing is of a ball whisk. As you can see in the picture, ball whisk have no wired loops. Rather than it have the individual wire coming out of the handle, each tipped with a metal ball. These balls are capable of reaching into the corner of the straight as well as the curved side of the pans. It is also easier to clean the traditional wired loop ones as there are no crossing wire present in them. So it is much easier to clean this ball whisk as there is no cross wiring loop in it. The last picture which you are seeing here is of a TWIRL whisk. Yes, also known as the coil whisk. This whisk is best for beating eggs. A TWIRL whisk have a single flexible wire which is spiral tilt and is attached to its handle via a thin cylindrical stick, as you can clearly see in this picture. The user should have to make the whisk up and down to achieve its maximum aeration. So that's all for the day, guys. As today we had discussed just one tool, which is the whisk, but we had discussed it in a great detail. All the points that we had discussed about the different types of whisk, they are just to help you all in getting the idea about the different types of whisk and also how they are used. Whisk are mostly used in the bakery and many a times in the continental and in the garde section of the kitchen. In bakery also, the bulk cooking, there are planetary dough mixture. So to know more about it, I'd uploaded a series of different types of equipments that are used in the kitchen. Also, I'd uploaded a video especially on the bakery and a video explaining the different sections of the kitchen. I will share the link of all those videos in my description box, so it will be really helpful to all you guys to check it out. I hope that this video will help you to increase your knowledge. So that's all for the day, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends and family, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.